Today we're here to ask one simple question. Can ChatGPT predict the price of Bitcoin for the month of June? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency each month. Then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. Over the last couple months, ChatGPT has been killing the guessing game when it comes to the altcoins, XRP and Cardano. But it's been a little off when it comes to Bitcoin, but it has been getting closer. So I am intrigued to see if June will be the month where we finally nail the price. With that being said, let's get to the question. Hey ChatGPT, we're doing the guessing game again, and this time it is Bitcoin. We are guessing the price of Bitcoin for June 2026. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at around $63,195. Look back at Bitcoin's historical performance in June since it first launched. Has June usually been a positive or negative month for Bitcoin? Give me 3 guesses for June 2026. A bullish guess, a bearish guess, and an official guess. Keep the ranges tight with close, focused guesses. I want one exact price and a small range for each. No explanation needed, just hit me with the results. Alrighty guys, we officially have our answer right here, and when asking if June is normally a bullish or bearish month, it does look like it is more negative overall. So sad panda, it looks like we may be in for a very red depressing month. But let's get to the guesses. The bullish guess, 70,400, range 68,800 to 72,200. The bearish guess, 56,900, range 55,200 to 58,500. And finally, we have the official guess. This is the guess that matters. This is the one that we rank everything off of. The official guess, 64,800, range 62,900 to 66,400. So there you have it, guys. Those are the guesses. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Do you agree with the bullish guess, the bearish guess, the official guess? Maybe you think we're going somewhere else by the end of July. Maybe $1 million? Maybe $50? Let me know in the comment section below. I really am interested. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you have a blessed day. Peace.